Global Exterior Experts provide me with a roof replacement along with a gutter and downspouts work. I liked how the communication was. I was able to communicate with them back and forth easily. I love it. It looks amazing. From the color, the quality of the shingles to the work completed, it's perfect. They were here, they showed me a full palette of colors to choose from. It was really easy. The people that came out to work on my roof, I say they were really excellent. They cleaned up after themselves every day. Were there on the timely manner. They didn't cause a commotion where they're working. Like I said, cleaned up, really professional. Thank you, Global, for working on my house. Everything is done in a timely manner. I'd like to thank Victor for taking time out of his days to answer my questions whenever time it was. Same with Vanessa from the office and Angie. The whole team was easy to work with from start to beginning. I just want to say thank you very much, and I appreciate all the work you did.